Hard drive and Superdrive removal. First, remove the hard drive. Remove the two T8 screws located above the hard drive. Now remove the temperature sensor cable and then lean the hard drive back to remove the remaining two cables. And then the hard drive is free to remove. Superdrive removal. There are 4 T8 screws that have to be removed. Now you will have to unhook the temperature sensor cable for the Superdrive from the logic board. Then lean the Superdrive just enough to unhook the Superdrive cable. Once that is unhooked, the Superdrive is free to be removed. If you need to remove the bracket from the Superdrive, there are also 4 T8 screws that have to be removed.